Okay, so data engineering. So what happens in data science? We are majorly working, I'll tell you the pipeline. You will get the record, don't worry. You have to collect data. You have to process data. You have to perform modeling. Before this, you have to maintain, not before this, mm, maintain database where you're collecting data. Okay, and also deploy. So this is the major work for a data science. This is the work for data engineer. And this is again another work for data engineer. Okay, so we are looking what data engineers can do. Let's see. So you might have doubts with how we can do these steps, but don't worry, we will come to this. Deploy means actually your customers are using it now. We will only focus on data science, right? So data engineering is giving a basic. So data engineers are those people who are a bridge between database and data science team. That person is called data engineering. Okay. So skills normally a data science data engineer should have: production or live environment where the customers are actually they will be able to use your product. Okay. So Python is the programming language. Pandas is the data analysis. We can use pandas using Python only. We will see that. We will come to that. This is a database language. This is our deep learning. These are the skills data engineer should have. Like Panda is a library, right? We can, so Panda is a library of Python. Next comes data science. This is us, right? So data science was coined at the beginning of 21st century. It is attributed to William S. Python. Data science, this terminology is called 21st century. Data science is nothing but study of data, where we store, analyze data, extract useful information, okay? And we try to solve different problems. So when we actually extract useful data, useful information from the data, we can answer questions and we can actually analyze and take decisions which can help our business to improve. We will know how to improve our improve our business by analyzing the past data. Okay, what we will be learning, we will learn the language, Python programming language. In this course, we don't have to create data, we will get the data. We will do mangling, which means manipulation. You have to process the data such that the data is good enough for your model. Then visualization, we have to properly do the EDA analysis, visualization, bar charts like we saw here, like we saw over here. These are the visualizations, so data visualization. So we have to do visualization, data extraction, mangling, manipulation, creating the data such that mangling is manipulation, which means you are manipulating the data such that it's good for your model. You're manipulating, do some feature engineering. So these are some technical terms. We will come to this. Extraction, which means we're extracting useful information after visualizing. Okay, fine, I visualize, I found, okay, these are important things, I will extract them. Once you are done with this step, yeah, you will know what you should be using in order to model. So you are modeling now. Finally, you are doing applying what kind of models? ML, DL. So we are covering ML in this course, okay? DL we are not covering in this course. Fine. So machine learning. DL is deep learning. Big data is where we are storing very big data, like huge amount of data. That is big data. So big data is also we are not having in the course. We are only having till ML.